If you've ever wondered whether upgrading your litter box could quietly transform your daily routine, this might be one of those changes that feels small but makes a real difference. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today we're taking a closer look at the Paruuntys self-cleaning litter box in cream white, an open-top, automatic litter system designed for multi-cat households, complete with app control, advanced safety sensors, and a large sealed waste bin. If you're tired of daily scooping or managing odor in a busy home, this product is clearly aimed at you. You'll find the purchase link in the description below. This isn't just an automated box. It's designed to make ownership easier, cleaner, and more predictable. While keeping your cats comfortable, here are 5 reasons to buy. Reason number 1. Open-top design that cats actually accept. One of the most overlooked factors in self-cleaning litter boxes is comfort. The Paruuntys uses a generous 16.5 inches by 16.5 inches open-top entrance, noticeably more spacious than many enclosed models. For cats that dislike enclosed or dome-style boxes, this open design reduces stress and eliminates that claustrophobic feel. Entry and exit are natural and unobstructed, which is especially helpful for larger cats or multi-cat households where access matters. In practical terms, that means fewer avoidance issues and smoother transitions from traditional boxes. Reason number 2, dual safety system with 7 sensors. Safety is where automation can make people cautious, and rightly so. This unit addresses that concern with 4 weight-activated sensors and 3 high-precision infrared detectors. The system pauses instantly at the first sign of movement or proximity. That dual-layer detection is designed to prevent operation while your cat is inside or approaching. For households with multiple cats, this added redundancy builds real confidence. It's a thoughtful implementation that makes the automation feel dependable rather than risky. Reason number 3, smart app control with real utility. The dedicated app adds meaningful functionality, not just novelty. You can activate cleaning cycles remotely, schedule automatic waste disposal, initiate one-tap emptying, and track litter usage trends. It also sends alerts when the bin is full, which removes the guesswork. Connectivity is based on 2.4G Wi-Fi for stable performance, important for consistent communication. For busy owners or those who travel occasionally, this level of control simplifies daily management significantly. Reason number 4, 10.5L sealed waste bin for odor control. Odor management is often the deciding factor in this category. The 10.5-liter sealed waste bin is designed to lock odors in, making it suitable for multi-day use without daily emptying. For multi-cat homes, that larger capacity means less frequent maintenance. The unit also includes 2 rolls of liners, and the sealed design helps maintain a fresher environment in shared living spaces. It's practical, especially for apartments or smaller homes. Reason number 5, leak-proof, reusable long-term value. The reinforced leak-proof edges and removable waste tray reduce the chance of spills. A washable liner is included, helping cut down on recurring disposable costs. Over time, this reusable approach contributes to lower maintenance expenses while keeping cleaning straightforward. The cream white finish also gives it a clean, modern appearance that blends more easily into contemporary interiors than many bulky alternatives. Final verdict. The Paruuntys self-cleaning litter box is a thoughtfully designed option for cat owners who want automation without sacrificing comfort or safety. It's particularly well-suited for multi-cat households, busy professionals, and anyone looking to reduce daily scooping and odor management. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it has built a reputation around practical reliability rather than flashy marketing. It's worth noting that app functionality requires 2.4G Wi-Fi, and as with any automatic system, there is an adjustment period for some cats. But for homes where convenience, safety, and odor control are priorities, this model stands out with its open design and layered sensor protection. If you've been considering moving to an automatic litter solution, this is one of the more balanced and confidence-inspiring options in its category. You'll find the purchase link in the description. Take a moment, consider your household's needs, and choose what makes daily life with your cats simpler and more comfortable. This is Buy with Confidence. I'll see you in the next review.